Dino's Workshop.
Welcome back to the channel. This is the robot lawnmower again. I'm just showing you it navigating from my back garden to the front garden to go and cut the front lawn. As you can see, it's finding its way around the path, getting through the gateway. I've still got to learn how to open the gate. It won't do that yet, but hopefully it might in the future. Anyway, it's now found its way to the path at the front and it's now looking for the lawn. This part of the video is sped up to 2 speed. I didn't want to drag it out, so I've sped it up and just to give you an idea of sort of what's happening with it. It's now found the lawn and it's going to go all the way around the outside, trimming the outside, and then it'll start and cut in between. If you've seen my previous videos, you'll know that this has got the drop mode feature, but this area that I'm doing now has been mapped out. It was just a quick mapping. You can auto map. I did a manual map on it. It does need touching up, to be honest with you, in certain areas, and you can edit the maps to go back on the map and touch up certain areas if you like. But it finds its way around. There's little bits it does leave, which you have to trim up yourself with your loppers or something, but it does get round there. This is now running at normal cutting speed. I've got it set to run at, I think it's 0.6 kilometers an hour. So you can sort of slow it down from that if you want, but that's the maximum it'll do. I've got it cutting currently at about a 45 degree angle on the lawn as well. This is the app on the phone. This is what you can see. You can see where the robot is currently cutting and what it's cut. If you look there, it'll say it's cut 68% of the lawn and there's 10 minutes remaining. The elapsed time is 22 minutes. So it gives you a fair bit of information on there. You can see the back lawn is greyed out, and that's because I'm not cutting the back lawn, I'm only cutting the front lawns. As you can see, the pathway as well, the route it's taken to get to the front lawns from the back lawn or from its docking station. Those are the 2 lawns that I'm going to cut. Now this is the camera that's attached to the mower itself. This is what the mower is currently looking at. What it can see is it's approaching the edge, picks up a boundary and then turns around. Right, it's currently finished cutting this particular lawn. It's finding its way back to the path now, and it's going to go around the path to cut the other front lawn. Again, I've sped this up by 200% just so that it doesn't drag the video out. It's now found the lawn. Again, it'll go around the outside first and then cut everything in between. It has got quite a slope on it, this lawn has, and I suppose if it's wet it could struggle with it, but it seems to get up the incline quite well. it's now finished cutting the lawn. It's now navigating its way back to its home base for a recharge. Again, this bit's sped up by 2 times. Back onto the driveway and back through the back gate. As you can see, it isn't the easiest of areas to navigate, but it seems to find its way through. It takes it a bit steady when it goes through tight areas like that. Back into the back garden and up towards its charging station. Turns around and then backs its way in for a recharge. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you this. If you've enjoyed the video, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.